Alrighty guys, we just pulled up to the Memphis International Speedway out here in, of course, Memphis, Tennessee, dog. We got that joint out. I'm hitting these Memphis back roads, getting this thing good to go. Y'all see what it is, man. We out here with all the dunks and everything, man. Y'all see what it is. We about to check out some race cars. You got that right-hand drive right here. Right-hand drive, that's pretty sick. We got a beast from the southern part to the southernest. Y'all see what it is. Big roaches on that thing, man. Drop top. Y'all see what it is. Y'all see what it is, man. Nitrous outlet. I can't wait to see this thing go down the drag strip. This thing is going to be pretty fast. Pretty fast, man. This thing looks dope. Looks real dope. Got the whole like ZL1 motor, everything, all the oohs and the ahs on that joint. Definitely pretty cool, man. Y'all see this Gold Daddy right here with that big snout coming out the front. Yes, sir. They got some whips out here today, man. It's about to go yay. It's definitely about to go yay. That's crazy. Look at this green thing back here. Look at this green thing back here. Y'all see what it is. One of them Ruchis. Big Ruchi daddies, man. That thing cold. Let's see the inside of that junk. Money bag. Y'all see what it is. Y'all see what it is. Big twin turbos coming out the hood of that joint, man. Serious powder they making over here, man. Y'all see what it is. Some serious power. Serious power. I like the 40s on here. I got some serious motor up under that bad boy, man. Oh, they must be over there getting ready to get a little pull or something. I don't know if I'm missing it or what. Got that joint out here. Got that joint out here, man. Yeah, on them pieces, pieced up. Big LS and all that. Y'all see what it is, man. Bucket seats. The whole shebang. I like this one. That thing is cold. That thing is cold. Got the whole custom back box and everything, man. What y'all think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. They got them out here, that's for sure. We down south with it, man. Down south. I like this color. This color is pretty nice. It's pretty nice. Digging it. That thing is cold. Look at the inside. He got the iPad up in there, or Android rather. Same shenanigans. All you smell out here is race gas. That's funny. That's all you smell is race gas. Got the big Ruchis on that joint. Big Daddy-O's. Y'all see what it is? Y'all see what it is? Look at that color hitting, man. Got that purple thing. I can dig it. Real hustle and flow. Real hustle and flow. Purple Urkel in that joint. Going next, they got that green thing pulling up. They aiming at the light, y'all see it. They ain't playing, they big camming. They big camming at the light, dog. They got the double up over here. Y'all see them. They on them things that poke out way far. Yes, sir. That's real Memphis right there, man. Real Memphis right here, man. I like the color on this thing. It's cold. They got the twin matching Lexus right here. This thing go crazy. That color is pretty sick. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Color is pretty sick, man. What y'all think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments below, man. This shit is definitely a nice shade of green, that's for sure. You And we got the Le Sabre. Got some donks out here, man. Going up. Run them joints back through. Matching steer wheel on him. Okay, Z06. 392 Super B. We got that other powwow over here. They got slicks on the 20-folds. That's nuts. 305, 35, 24-inch slicks. This thing is nuts. I like this. They got that thing fully raced out in the inside. Fully raced out. Big twin turbos coming out the pipe over here. Yes, sir. I ain't gonna hold you. This thing is nice. This thing is definitely nice. Deep dish though. Deep dish though, man. Deep dish. They got them joints out here. Slick daddies. I didn't even know they made slicks in this size. You gotta get some haters. The haters. Ooh, you got the boosty buttons on the steering wheel. Look at that. Big boost. That thing is nuts. That thing is nuts, man. They got them back to back. Malibus and all that, man. I can't wait. They getting them ready, that's for sure. Woo! They getting them ready, look. They pulling them in. Pulling them in, that's for sure, dog.